Well, the second wave of coronavirus is wreaking havoc in rural India. Bikaner's Khara village is a testimony to that. With overburdened healthcare workers, shortage of medicines and no ICU beds, hinterlands are paying for the chronic neglect. Mosmi Singh brings you this ground report from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan government has made tall claims about reaching out to rural parts to provide support and medical care to villages. However, a reality check in Khara village, not so far away from Bikaner city, exposes the truth behind these claims.
Hello and welcome. You're watching India Today and I am Mosmi Singh, bringing you this special report as we crisscross Rajasthan to get you the other side of the story, away from the government claims and the data. We've reached Bikaner and we're going to visit Khara village, which is one of the biggest Gram Panchayats in this district. Let's try and find out how is the rural India coping up with this pandemic.
The village's proximity to the city would give the illusion that all must be well here, till we reach a gate with a notice stuck outside. Ram Ratan, a COVID patient, has been locked in the house for the last 1 week.
You would be lucky if you were COVID positive and you found such a notice outside your gate in the village, because here there is no tracking, that is going real time on ground zero. And even if you have a notice like this that you are tested COVID positive, you see that there are no visits, no checkups by the local medical practitioners.
जी मैडम कोई नहीं आया, कोई अधिकारी नहीं आया। 17 तारीख को मैडम आई थी, उसके बाद कोई नहीं आया। उसके बाद दवाई दे के चले गए, कोई नहीं आया अभी तक।
इतनी मुश्किल है दवाइयाँ मिलना?
बहुत मुश्किल है, मिल भी नहीं रही। दवाई है भी नहीं यहाँ पे मेडिकल में।
The Rajasthan government has formed a COVID core group at the villages level comprising of healthcare workers, teachers and panchayat members.
On one hand, you have the government records, files and the data. On the other hand, the ground report tells you a very different story. This is a letter from the officer in charge of the core team of Khara village, one of the biggest Gram Panchayats, that talks about the shortage of medicines. Medicines like paracetamol and azithromycin are unavailable for a population of more than 20,000.
डॉक्टर साहब भी बोले कि मदद करो, हमारे पास तो दवाई है नहीं है। जब करके चंदा इकट्ठा करा था, उसमें तो दवाई नहीं आ रही है जी। 4-5 हजार में तो दवाई थोड़ी आती है सर।
तो खांसी बुखार की भी दवाई नहीं मिल रही है?
खांसी जुकाम की दवाई नहीं मिल रही है सर, हमारे गांव में कोई नहीं है दवाई देने वाला।
The village has just one sub-health center that should cater to a population of about 3,000 to 5,000, but in Khara the number is almost 4 times that. Most of the houses have an ailing member with flu-like symptoms, but they go untracked and unattended.
The problem in Khara village is compounded by the fact that you have one health official versus a population of 15,000 at the local health center. And this area also includes the RICO industrial area. That invariably means more than 300 houses being catered door to door by one official, which is simply an impossible task.
कोरोना महामारी को देखते हुए एक एएनएम के भरोसे 15 से 20 हजार जनता के स्वास्थ्य का ख्याल है। उसको देखते हुए अभी ये पीएससी सेंटर होना चाहिए, जबकि ये उप स्वास्थ्य केंद्र है। यहाँ पर्याप्त मात्रा में दवाइयाँ भी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से पूरी नहीं मिल पा रही है। वर्तमान में ये लगातार हम देखते आ रहे हैं।
Alerted about her arrival, nurse Seema has stacked up on medicines, but she admits that tending to the entire village while manning the center is extremely difficult.
अब देखो पीएससी की आवश्यकता है यहाँ और उप स्वास्थ्य केंद्र है। आबादी ज्यादा है, रिको इंडस्ट्रीज भी एरिया भी है, गांव भी बड़ा है, तो बस स्टाफ एक है, तो उस हिसाब से थोड़ा तकलीफ तो हो ही रही है, और तो चल ही रहा है काम।
Due to the lockdown, Seema has to tend to more patients, many of whom are pregnant. Then she sets out with her medicine bag to go from door to door.
A mammoth tragedy unfolding in rural parts of India. The only thread that's holding it all together is the willpower of lone warriors like Seema Devi. It's time that the Rajasthan government, instead of headline management, indulges in some reality checks and boosts up the infrastructure in rural India that's in shambles.
As day turns into night, we try and gauge the enormity of the crisis. The only thing that tears the darkness is our camera lights. But what is clear as daylight is the anger of these people.
घर तो बिठा दिया, लॉकडाउन लग गया, तो खाएंगे क्या? क्या इन बच्चों को खिलाएंगे? क्या हम खाएंगे?
The Bhat community are daily wagers. The pandemic has choked their source of income. Santosh has 3 little children, but she has run out of money as well as food.
सब काम आदमी सब बंद करवा दिए कि घर पे बैठो, घर पे खाएंगे क्या हम? घर पे बैठ के कैसे बच्चों को पालेंगे हम? वैसे तो लॉकडाउन लगा दिया, वो बीमारी लगेगी नहीं लगेगी, वैसे भूखे मर जाएंगे.
The state government has made tall claims of a door-to-door rural survey to nip the pandemic in the bud. But schemes and policies rarely reach the underprivileged.
For the poorest of the poor in the village, it is a multiple battle. Fight against abject poverty, hunger and this disease. In lockdown times, with no means of earning, their fight for survival is fierce and never-ending. With video journalist Satya Rotre, this is Mosmi Singh from Ground Zero, Bikaner.